thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. Start the way you mock me. I think life was hard as poverty. Remember old times you fought with me. I'm surprised it got so things are the way they were before. You won't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You keep everything inside, even though you tried it all so hard. What it meant to be be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I have to fall to lose it all. I don't know why.